homework. It should say this at the top. It's with the notes. Unfortunately, I should have made it separate, but I made it the same. I don't know what I was thinking. But it says find the measurement of each side and write a statement for each one. Label the sides on the graph to show equal measurement. Okay, those are those tallies, okay? So the measurement of each side. So let's say the measurement of AB, line segment AB, is equal to the line segment, these two are equal right here. And because I went from A to B, I need to do from D to E, okay? So it means D, it's D to E, line segment DE. And that is the length of that, because they want the measurement of each side. Those two sides they're the same, as you can see. They're both 3. That's why we put equal. Okay. Now, that's that segment. Okay. Now we can do this segment here, A to C, right there. A to C, line segment AC is equal to, is it equal to? I didn't count. D to F, let's count, make sure it's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, they're equal to, it's equal to D to F, which is both equal to 7. That's writing your statement, okay? Showing the measurement. They want the measurement of each side. All right. Now, and then the other measurement is B to C, which is the same as E to F. The measurement of B to C, line segment right here, BC is equal to E to F, line segment EF. Don't forget that line like I do. Okay, I will check it, unfortunately, on your test. It's quiz tomorrow. Squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Okay, so we need to find these two legs are 3 and 7. Okay. Oh, we need to show equal measurement. Okay, so this segment is equal to this segment, and this segment is equal to this segment. We need to do that. Okay. And we need to find. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to erase all of that. We need double tallies here. Each one. All right. So you get A squared, which is 3 squared plus 7 squared equals to C squared. 9 plus 49 equals to C squared. 58 equals to C squared. Square root, square root. C equals the square root of 58. This is the square root of 58. We don't need to use it to the 10th. It didn't say to put decimal. So we know that both of them are the same. Okay. Because they're both 3 and 7. So we can say the two triangles are congruent by side, side, side. The third side is the same. Put that in there. The two triangles are congruent by side, side, with an S here, side. Say the word, don't just do SSS, because it's side, side, side. You need to remember it. It's really important. Write congruent statement to justify your reasoning. Okay, because you need to justify your reasoning. We know that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A, B, C. So A is the same as D. D, B is the same as E. And E, F, same as C. Okay? Write congruent statement to justify your answer. So we know that AB is congruent to AB is congruent to DE. DE. Okay? Now, so AB, DE. And then line segment BC is congruent to EF. Okay? BC is congruent to EF. Line segment. Okay? Now, we didn't do AC is congruent to D. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. AC because it's A, C, D, F. Same thing, okay? A, C is congruent to D, F. That's another way to look at it. So you don't always look or you can do it the one that's there. Did I write it right? B, C, and because I start out with B, I'm going to start out E, F. Huh. A, B, A. I'm checking myself because I'm horrible at this. Okay? I'm double checking myself. Because I don't want you to guys tell me I did it wrong. I probably will too. Huh. Okay. A, B. So A is the same as D. So I wrote D. B is the same as E. B is the same as E. And then, yeah, C, F. Okay, I wrote it right. So I wrote it in that order. Okay? A, B, D, E, A, C, D. Oh, I just wrote it. Oh, sorry. I just wrote this backwards. This is down here. That was what's confusing me. This and this was here. Okay, I got everything. Just want to make sure I did it right. Double check. You always double check yourself on a quiz and test. Your homework too. Learn how to do it so you can do it faster. Find a measurement of each side and write the statement for each. Label the side on the graph. Okay, so the measurement of each side. Let's see. CA is, or AC, doesn't matter. We'll do CA in this case. Okay, so if I do CA, that is the same as CA is ZX. ZX. Okay, let's see. CA, is it the same or not? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're the same. Equals to 5. And then this side here, A to B, okay, is the same as X to Y. Okay? A to B is the same thing as X to Y. Maybe. We'll count and make sure. Okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, they're both 6. Okay? Let's find the measurement. Well, both, okay? be 6 and 5. Okay, so 5 gets 1, 5 gets a 1, 6 gets a 2, the 6 gets a 2, okay? Now, well, a squared plus b squared equals to c squared, because you're using the exact number, a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. They're both the same. So a squared is 5 squared plus 6 squared equals to c squared. 25 plus 36 equals to c squared. That is 61 equals to c squared. Find the square root. C is 61 square root. Okay, so this is 61 square root and this is 61 square root. Okay, so these are the same, the third tallies. Okay? So that length is, if we choose to go B to C, so I'm choosing to go B to C, I need to go here, Y to Z is equal to Y to Z, which is equal to the square root of 61. Okay? So we can say the two triangles are congruent by side, 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 side. All sides are the same. The two triangles are congruent. Congruent means exact same size and shape by side, side, side. Okay, write the congruency statement to justify your reasoning. So congruent statement, and then you need to justify it. So congruent statement is triangle ABC C is congruent to triangle, okay, I need help on here. A, okay, which one is A on the other side? A is X, sorry. A is X, X, B is Y, so this B is this Y, and Z is here, C, Z. Make sure, right. Justify your answer, okay. You can use the same thing here, which is fine, or you can go AX line segment AX is congruent to oh no, sorry, not AX. Oh, what am I thinking, Miss Wilcox? This is AB is congruent to XY. AB is congruent to line segment XY. Okay. And then oops. And then BC is congruent to YZ. So BC is congruent to YZ. Okay. And then AC, so line segment, AC line segment is congruent to XZ. Okay, line segment, double check. Alright, next page. Find the measurement of each side and write, same thing, label the graph. Okay, let's see. Alright, going to do faster than this, please. Okay, so MP line segment is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it should equal to QS, which is, does it equal 1, 2, 3, 4? No, it does not equal. No, not congruent. Oh, okay, does not equal to. MP is 5, does not equal to 4. Okay, so that alone makes it not congruent by side, side, side. Okay? Oh, so here you would write 4, yeah, 5 does not equal to 4. Okay. And then you do, let's say you do M to N, M to N, line segment MN to QR, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 7, okay? Okay, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they both equal to 7. Now, because these two aren't equal, when you do 4 and 7 and then 5 and 7, the Pythagorean theorem, N and P, will not equal to S and R. Did I do that right? NP. NP. So R and S. R and S. So when you do Pythagorean theorem, they won't equal. Okay, we won't even bother. You can try. The two triangles are not congruent because not all sides are the same, has the same length. The two triangles are not congruent because all sides do not have the same length. Okay? That's what you would put. We have none here. No congruent statement. Oh, congruent statement. Triangle NMP is not congruent to triangle N, and which one is N? R, M is Q, and then S. Okay? Not congruent. Let's look at this one. We need to do here, prove it by side, angle, side. This is easier. Side, angle, side. Okay. We don't have to do Pythagorean theorem. We can take side, and then the 90-degree angle, and then the other side. Side, angle, side. Oops, different color. Let's do a different color so you can see all the sides. Okay, so side, find the measurement of each side. So measurement of DE is equal to, line segment DE is equal to JM. So D is this J, and then M. Okay, good, it's E. It's double checking myself because my eyes have a hard time with this stuff. So that is equal to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They're not equal. Count again just to make sure. Did they trick me? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, they're not equal. DE is 12, does not equal to 11. Oh, we cannot do side angle side because these sides are not equal. Okay. But angle, oh my goodness, okay. They're not equal. I did all the counting. Okay, so angle, triangle EDF is equal to, ME is MJN, equal to angle MJN, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Now, and then line segment DF, does it equal to JN? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, they equal. They equal to 5. The two triangles are not congruent because one of the sides are different. The two triangles are not congruent. Oh. Because one of the side, one side. Okay? Alright. Well, this one looks congruent to me. No, they're not. Boy, I gave you non-siding. Okay. See these? They look really different. Side, angle. Oh, these angles are the same, so it's very important because these are the same here. The side is the same, that you put one tally, and this is the same, you put that. This, the 90 degree in there. Okay, and erase all this counting stuff. Okay. So this here, obviously, not congruent because one of the sides have different measurements. So, BG is not equal to JX because 4 does not equal to 5. Okay, and then angle BGD is equal to angle JXP. Remember that the angle it's in goes in the middle. This angle, oh, G is here, X is here, it's in the middle. Okay, and then the sides, this long side, oh my gosh, I don't want to count that. Line segment D, G is equal to, obviously, P, PX, line segment. Oh, I forgot line segment there. Go afterwards and check your line segment. That's what I tend to forget. What do you tend to forget? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9 and 8. 9 plus 8 has to be 17. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is 9 plus the 8 here, 17. I don't have to count every time. It's too long. That's how rules come about. It's too much work to just count. So these are the same, and the angles are the same. Okay, I need to see that, because you need to label the sides on the graph if they're the same. Are they congruent? No. the two triangles are not congruent, you write that down because one of the sides are different. Okay, 3. Determine each of the following triangles are congruent by side angle, side, 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 or side angle, side. Justify your reasoning. If there's not enough information, write not enough information. Okay. This side is the same as this side. Okay, we're good. This side is the same as this side, so that's good. And this is share side, so therefore this side is definitely the same. So, okay, we can say the two triangles are congruent. Okay, by side, side, side. The two triangles are congruent by side, side, side. Okay, and we prove it. So side AC is congruent to, it says justify, AC is the same as BD, right? Yeah, I believe so. These two are the same, got it. And then AB is congruent to CD. And BC is obviously the same line, congruent to BC. On the other one, if you cut these in half, okay? It's line segment, BC.
What time is it, honey?
It's 4:50. Okay? So here, okay. Uh-oh, what happened to the other triangle? HJK. Ooh, if I gave you this, obviously this is not enough information. First of all, if you see side, side angle, that's definitely not it. Side, side angle is not, and see, this doesn't count, so you can't skip an angle. It needs to be consistent. So it's not side, side angle, it's side, angle, side. Side, angle, this side. And there's no measurement here, so definitely it's not enough information. Okay? That alone you can say it's not congruent, not enough information. I guess I forgot to copy the other one. Alright, here we go. This one? What's wrong? Did I not bring in... Does yours look like... Okay. Okay, this is the true triangle. Are they congruent? See, they have this question mark there. They only have a 90-degree angle. And here's the side that's the same. Okay, that's shared, so it's the same. So side, and that's it. We don't, the angle needs to be here though. Side, angle, side. So not enough information. Not congruent. Not enough information. Okay? It should be side, angle, side, okay? And there's no sides that's the same. Did yours look like this? All of these are... Okay. Alright. Yeah, I copied right. Sorry, I saw it wrong. Here is the same, because it's shared. And an angle, so side, angle, and hey, here's the side that's the same. See how it's 5, 5? Like that. Side, angle, side that are the same. So we can say these are congruent by the two triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. The two triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. Okay, and then we prove it. Okay, KT, line segment KT, is congruent to KT. Hey, that's an easy one. It's shared same line. Okay, then